If you are looking for the best AI video generator in 2026, you have probably come across Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0. Both are powerful, both are trending, but which one is actually better? In this video, I'll break down the key differences so you can decide quickly. What is Kling 3.0? Kling 3.0 is an advanced AI video generation model developed by Kuaishu. It focuses on creating highly realistic cinematic videos from simple text prompts. Key strength: very realistic motion and physics, strong character consistency, high quality cinematic output, good for storytelling and longer scenes. It's mainly used for short films, ads, and high end content creation. What is Seedance 2.0? Seedance 2.0 is a newer AI video generator focused on speed and ease of use. It is designed more for creators who want fast results with less complexity. And when talking about the key strength, faster generation times, simple and beginner friendly, good prompt understanding, works well for social media content. It's ideal for quick videos, reels, and content creators who post frequently. Video quality comparison. Kling 3.0 clearly wins in raw video quality. It produces more realistic lighting, smoother motion, and better detail overall. Seedance 2.0 is good, but it is not as cinematic. Sometimes motion looks slightly artificial compared to Kling. If quality is your top priority, Kling is the better choice. Speed and ease of use. This is where Seedance 2.0 shines. It's faster and much easier to use, especially for beginners. Kling 3.0 can be slower and may require more detailed prompts to get the best results. So if you want quick, simple videos, Seedance wins here. Consistency and control. Kling 3.0 offers better consistency, especially with characters and scenes. You can maintain the same look across multiple clips more reliably. Seedance 2.0 is improving, but it can struggle with consistency in longer sequences. For storytelling or multi-scene videos, Kling is stronger. Best use cases. Choose Kling 3.0 if you want cinematic high-end videos, if you are creating ads or storytelling content, if you care about realism and detail. Choose Seedance 2.0 if you need fast content creation, if you are making social media videos, and if you prefer simplicity over control. Pricing and access. Both platforms are still evolving and access can vary. Typically, Kling is more limited and sometimes harder to access. Seedance is more widely available and easier to start with. So beginners will likely find Seedance more accessible. Final verdict and conclusion. There is no single winner, it depends on your needs. For quality and realism, Kling 3.0. For speed and ease, Seedance 2.0. If you are serious about what cinematic AI videos, go with Kling. If you just want fast, good looking content, Seedance is more practical. And that is it for today's comparison. If you found it helpful and useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI comparisons like this. Turn on the bell icon in order to not miss anything, and let me know down below in the comments which one would you choose and why. Thank you for watching all guys, and see you in a new comparison video.